Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can buy Brawl Star Pass. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Brawl Star app first and sign in, and then simply navigate to the shop section. Once you're here in the shop section, you should be able to check out the Brawl Pass, as you can see, with the amount and money. Go ahead, tap on the Brawl Pass. Then you should be able to check out the Brawl Passes available that you can purchase. You can see unlock any brawler, and you have Brawl Pass, which includes $18.99 and $26.99. That is simply the amount for the Brawl Pass. Once you have chosen the Brawl Pass that you want to buy, tap on it. Now for the iOS, this is the interface gonna look like. You have to simply double click for you to simply confirm the payment. You can see App Store season pass that you have to get. It will cost $18.99, and once you have paid that with your account, you should be able to get the Brawl Pass purchase, and that is basically it. You will be able to buy it and use it however you would prefer. If you got any question regarding the same, let us know in the comments below, and we shall get back to you. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.